guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. As always, it is so great to see you. And friends, welcome to Photography Talk episode 78. Now, if you've been on the edge of your seat waiting for the Canon EOS R3 to come out, you might not have to wait much longer. Also news this week, the iPhone 13 is rumored to include sensor stabilization, and Luminar AI has been updated with some new features that might convince you it's the post-processing program of your dreams. And speaking of dreams, it's been a dream of mine for you to hit that like button down below. Now, you know, I don't ask much, just a tiny little swipe of your mouse or a tap of your finger to give this video a thumbs up. In return, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you an adorable photo of a puppy. Deal? Cool. I'm gonna hold up to my bargain, and here's a cute puppy. Now you hold up your end of the deal and give this video a like. Enough of all that, let's get on to this week's headlines. Now, if you visit Adorama or another online camera store, you'll find a listing for the upcoming Canon R3. Now, don't get too excited though, there aren't any specs listed for the release date for that matter, now at least at this point. However, the fact is that the R3 is already listed on sites like Adorama makes it that this camera is on the fast track for release. Now, rumors indicated they'll be released this year, it's just a question of when this year. Now there's also a couple new images on the EOS R3. Now the images show a big pro style Canon body, which is exactly what was expected. The photo of the rear of the camera also shows a large flip screen out LCD. And remember, the other specs that we already know include an integrated vertical grip, you have the weathered seal construction, the continuous shooting up to 30 frames per second, full frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor, eye controlled autofocus, dual pixel CMOS autofocus, and subject tracking with deep learning. Now, as always, I'm going to provide you with updates as soon as I have them. For one, I'm super excited about this camera given Canon's track record with the EOS R and the R5. The R3 is really being set up to be one heck of an amazing camera. Those of you that use Luminar AI for your post-processing have probably already downloaded the latest update, but for those of you that haven't tried Luminar AI, the newest update might be what it's going to take to convince you to do so. For starters, Luminar AI is now compatible with Apple's M1 processors, but in addition to that, it has a host of new features that include HIC support, better control over how reflections appear, and an improved dodge and burn tool. Additionally, the latest update offers enhanced sky detection, so for example, it will now automatically adjust the sky to fit the scene. It also has improved edge detection and masking that results in a much more natural looking shot. You also get better color accuracy and relighting, which assists in making the editing image look much more natural and believable. And here's something to think about. If AI can do all this with our photos right now, can you imagine what will be able to be done, or what would be able to be done in the next few years with post-processing? Yeah. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on that. Now, rumors have been flying that the iPhone 13 will feature sensor stabilization. Not only that, but the stabilization feature should be available on all iPhone 13 models, not just the Pro and the Pro Max. Now, backing up this rumor is a recent report that Apple seems to be purchasing huge quantities of parts needed to make sensor stabilization happen. Apple wouldn't need all these parts if they weren't expanding sensor stabilization to more than their flagship phones. Now, the iPhone 13 will have other minor changes, including a smaller front notch for the camera. The iPhone 13 and 13 Pro should have larger rear camera modules as well. Bigger changes aren't expected for the iPhone lineup until 2022. Now, as for the specs for the 2022 iPhone, it's rumored that there will be no camera notch, no lightning port, which, when you think about it, means that the iPhone will be completely wireless. And improvements to the front-facing camera, such as better autofocus. Now, this of course is a ways off though, so let's just wait to see what the iPhone 13 offers first. Let's move on and talk about our current giveaway. Here are 3 great prizes that we have this time around. We have the Holdfast Roamographer, which is a luxurious camera bag, a Pilotfly Pilotfly, Atomcube, RX1 Lite, and of course the $100 Adorama gift card. As always, entering the giveaway is really simple. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, the more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more chances that you have to win. So get watching some of our videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on PhotographyTalk and introduce yourself in the forum. Now, if you did register on the site and introduce yourself during one of the last giveaways, you're still eligible to win. But as I keep saying over and over again, swing on by, say hello. We would love to see you. And friend, that is it. For complete details on the giveaway, including how to register on PhotographyTalk and how to say hello in our forum, check out the description below. Good luck. Well, there you go, guys. Photography Talk 78 is done. Now, as always, it's that time of the video where I'm going to ask you to do all that YouTube stuff that really does help out the channel. So if you are mildly entertained, if you enjoyed this video in any way, do me a favor, hit that like button down below. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, well, we'd love to have you part of the family. Do that, and heck, while you're at it, kick that bell so that you're notified each time that we come out with a video. My friend, I'm going to be scooting off here, so you get out there, stay healthy, and create your best show.